Hi, I did not notice the entire camera crew waiting for me to film this training video. But if you're watching this, it means you have been selected for the best process with Aegis Limited. Well done. I'm your trainer Frank, and this series of video will help you understand the entire Flipkart process from the seller perspective. To get you started, I would explain the entire buyer verification process. So what do you understand when I say buyer verification? Let me explain. It is an act of guaranteeing the accuracy, correctness, or the truth of information with respect to the order placed by the buyer for further processing the orders. Once the order is placed by the buyer, it will hit the seller dashboard. Let us now understand some scenarios where the seller will raise a ticket for the confirmation whether the order placed by the buyer needs to be processed or not. The first scenario is about the quantity of product ordered. A higher number of units ordered can happen due to three reasons. Either the customer is a new user, hence wrongly ordered, or due to network issue, or he genuinely needs those quantities. Now, in order to check the quantity ordered, first the seller checks to pack tab under active tab in his seller portal, and then will raise a request to seller support team to find out the actual number of quantities that the buyer is looking for. The scenario number 2, first time buyer. On successfully placing the order, the buyer will receive an IVR call confirming the same, and in case he fails to answer the call, an email would be sent to the registered email ID. Either ways, if the seller gets a confirmation, the order will be processed, else it will be kept on hold. This transaction will show under on hold tab, which means the order is pending. Then the seller will get in touch with seller support team to get a clarification if the order needs to be processed or cancelled under marketplace cancellation tab. Now the third scenario is about the buyer address verification. Let's understand if the order is placed with an incomplete address. The seller has an option to check the buyer address in his portal, and if he finds it suspicious or incomplete, a ticket is raised to the seller support team. The seller support team would help the seller to get the complete address for further processing. If the seller raises a ticket regarding any of the discussed scenarios, then it will be reaching to the level 1 team. Now, the level 1 team is supposed to handle these incidents. However, if level 1 team escalates this issue to level 2 team, which is the non-technical department, then we are supposed to escalate this issue to the FRM team, and further we would provide 24 hours of TAT to the seller. I appreciate you sticking around for the first part of this training session. Just a few more sessions and you will be all ready to help our valued customers.
Created using Powtoon.